Okay, Anna, I have to confess something. A German friend told me she only understands train station, and I just stood there nodding like everything was fine.
Oh, Max, train station? You mean ich verstehe nur Bahnhof? That does not mean she likes trains.
It does not? See, this is exactly my pain. I know the words, I know what every single word means, and the sentence still makes zero sense to me.
And here's the secret nobody tells you. German idioms are not random. They're little pictures, and once you see the picture, you never forget the phrase.
Wait, so the weirdness is actually the trick? The crazier it sounds, the easier to remember?
Genau. That means exactly. By the end of this episode, you will understand 7 funny German idioms that sound like nonsense, and you'll use them correctly.
Tomatoes, pigs, dancing bears. I already love this episode.
Bereit? Ready?
Bereit.
Los geht's. Here we go. First, the mindset. Do not translate idioms word by word. If you do, your brain melts. Instead, learn the picture and the real meaning together.
So I stop asking, why is there a pig? And I just accept the pig.
Yeah, accept the pig, Max. The pig is your friend. We will meet him soon.
I have never been so excited to meet a pig. Okay, group 1, let's go.
Group 1 is about confusion. Number 1, your phrase from the start. Ich verstehe nur Bahnhof.
Literally, that is, I understand only train station, which is, I'm sorry, completely insane.
It really means I do not understand anything. I'm totally lost. The real meaning has nothing to do with trains.
Ich verstehe nur Bahnhof. Honestly, that describes most of my German conversations.
Say it again, slowly. Ich verstehe nur Bahnhof.
Ich verstehe nur Bahnhof. I will be using this one daily.
Number 2 in this group, Tomaten auf den Augen haben.
To have tomatoes on the eyes? Anna, who is putting tomatoes on their eyes?
Nobody, hopefully. It means you do not see something that's right in front of you, something obvious.
Oh, like when my keys are on the table and I look for them for 10 minutes.
Exactly that. Your friend would say, Du hast Tomaten auf den Augen. You have tomatoes on your eyes.
Tomaten auf den Augen haben. Rude, but accurate. I respect it.
Zusammenfassung. Ich verstehe nur Bahnhof means I understand nothing. Tomaten auf den Augen means you miss the obvious.
2 idioms down and 0 trains and tomatoes harmed. Next group.
Group 2 is about luck and wishing luck. First, die Daumen drücken.
To press the thumbs. So Germans don't cross fingers, they press thumbs.
Exactly. Ich drücke dir die Daumen means I'm keeping my fingers crossed for you. I wish you luck.
Ich drücke dir die Daumen. So before my German test, my friend was pressing her thumbs for me.
Yeah, genau. And the picture is real. Germans actually make a little fist with the thumb inside.
That is adorable. Okay, and now the pig. I'm ready for the pig.
Schwein haben, literally to have pig.
To have pig, just in general, to be in possession of a pig.
It means to be lucky, to get lucky. If you almost miss the train but you catch it, du hast Schwein gehabt.
So the pig is good luck. Schwein haben. I had pig today?
Almost. You would say, Ich habe Schwein gehabt. I had luck. The pig brings fortune in German culture.
Ich habe Schwein gehabt. I love that being lucky is just having a pig. Beautiful.
Zusammenfassung. Die Daumen drücken means to wish someone luck. Schwein haben means to be lucky.
Thumbs and pigs. My German is getting weirder and better at the same time.
Group 3 is about big moments and big fun. First, the party one. Da steppt der Bär.
There taps the bear. Like the bear is tap dancing?
Yeah, the bear is tap dancing there. It means the party is amazing. There's a lot going on. It is a great time.
So if a party is incredible, I say, da steppt der Bär? The bear is dancing?
Exactly. Heute Abend steppt der Bär means tonight the party is going off.
Da steppt der Bär. I'm picturing a giant bear in tap shoes, and I'm very happy.
Now the opposite energy, a serious moment. Jetzt geht's die Wurst.
Now it goes about the sausage. We had pigs, now we have sausage. There's a theme here.
Ha, true. It means now it is do or die, the decisive moment. Now it really counts.
So like final round of a competition, big presentation, jetzt geht's die Wurst.
Genau. That means exactly. In old times, the prize at a festival was literally a sausage, so the sausage was on the line.
Jetzt geht's die Wurst. That is the most German motivational phrase I've ever heard.
Zusammenfassung. Da steppt der Bär means the party is great. Jetzt geht's die Wurst means now it is the decisive moment.
Dancing bear, life or death sausage. This language is a gift.
And one more for the road. Das ist nicht mein Bier.
That is not my beer. Okay, I feel like I understand this one emotionally already.
It means that is not my problem. That is none of my business, not my responsibility.
So if my coworker makes a mess, I just say, das ist nicht mein Bier, and walk away?
You could. Das ist nicht mein Bier, not my problem. Use it carefully, though. It can sound a little cheeky.
Das ist nicht mein Bier, the most relaxed way to dodge responsibility ever invented.
Now, speed round. I say the idiom, you tell me the real meaning. Ready?
Bring it. I've got tomatoes off my eyes and a pig in my pocket. Let's go.
Number 1. Ich verstehe nur Bahnhof.
I do not understand anything. I'm totally lost.
Perfect. Number 2. Schwein haben.
To be lucky, to get lucky, the pig of fortune.
Yes. Number 3. Tomaten auf den Augen haben.
To not see something obvious right in front of you.
Sehr gut. That means very good. Last one. Jetzt geht's die Wurst.
Now it's do or die, the decisive moment. The sausage is on the line.
Bravo, Max. You went from understanding only train station to understanding all of it.
Okay, quick recap. Today I learned train station means confused, tomatoes means you missed the obvious, press thumbs means good luck, having pig means lucky, dancing bear means great party, the sausage means do or die, and not my beer means not my problem.
That's 7 idioms. But please don't try to use all 7 today. Pick one. That's where it sticks.
Just one. I'm going with Ich drücke dir die Daumen because honestly, everyone in my life needs some thumb pressing right now.
Beautiful choice. And to you watching, just try it. Drop one of these into a conversation today, even if it feels silly. That's how it becomes yours.
So tell us in the comments, which idiom is your favorite? The dancing bear or the lucky pig? I need to know.
And next time, we're leaving the idioms and going to a real place, the German train station, tickets, platforms, and the famous delays.
Finally, the actual Bahnhof. So next episode, I will understand more than just the word Bahnhof. Bis zum nächsten Mal.
Tschüss!